What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a ballpark dog, a stadium dog. So, let's play ball, shall we? Take me out to the ball game, take me out for a beer. That's right, buddy, the stadium dog, and you're saying to yourself like, oh, stadium dog, have you been out in the sun too long, man? I think everybody knows how to make a hot dog. Well, that's the thing about it, buddy, because I've had many a dog in my time, and no two dogs are the same, and there is something about that dog at the baseball game. You know, you go and get you a dog and a brew and sit down and watch your favorite team. For me, that's the Kansas City Royals, but it could be whoever for you. Something beautiful about it, baby. Put your team down in the comments so I can talk some trash on you. Now, the stadium dog, pretty simple, nothing to it, but like I said, it's just that feeling, man, you know. And I'm not at the baseball game today, but I did mow my yard for the first time of the year, and to me, that should be a national holiday worth celebrating. So I was out there feeling like Hank Hill's ass. Now, I come inside, I got my brew, I got my dog, and I'm going to show you what I did. Now, first thing that you got to do, get you a hot dog. Today I got the ballpark hot dogs and staying with the theme. And you're saying to yourself like, oh, I know you like to keep it cheap. Why in the hell did you get them ballparks? Well, because I don't know. The thing about it was, when I went there, I think somebody had robbed all the Bar S, what I usually get. So that was all that was left, so that's what I did. Now, I went ahead and got my dog, and I heated it up. Now, there's many ways you can heat it up. You know, you could be out there on the grill, putting that on there. You could go ahead and get one of those rotisseries if you got one. You can go ahead and boil them if you want to, but you know me, buddy. I ain't got time for that shit. So I just opened the pack and put them in the old microwave and got them nuked like Duke Nukem. Now, once you get your ball dogs nuked, we're going to be in here singing like Alabama. We like our beer flat as can be. We like our dogs with mustard and relish, because that's what we're about to do. So, go ahead and take your bun, rolly fingers, and we're going to spread that thing wide open, because what we got today is those bun links. Take a look at this. Ooh. Just enough to please you girls. Now, take your bun, put your hot dog down inside, and then I'm going to go ahead and put just a line of the guts up on there. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, is there a rhyme or reason to why you're doing what you do? To me, it's just more for looks. So, went ahead and put that ketchup on the bottom. And now, we're going to go ahead and get some relish. There again, couldn't find the old cheapo, so I had to go with Vlasic. You know, remember them commercials where that dude was smoking that pickle like a cigar and he said, that Vlasic pickle. Well, we got his fancy ass over here today, so let's put some fancy ass stuff right on top of that dog, buddy boy. Now, we are going to round third and head for home with our mustard. Just some old regular old yellow mustard, because that's what you did. Now, once you've got all those things on there, it's beautiful, baby. It's ready to go. You look like the great Bambino out there. And you know, that's the thing about this. It's a simple thing. It's something anybody can do. But you know, if you get a beer and you turn on that baseball game, which for me lately has been a rarity, because Kansas City Royals, you can only watch them if you buy the Valley Sports package. You're not allowed to watch them on Fox or anything. That don't make no damn sense to me. You're going to tell me that I live an hour and a half away from where the baseball stadium is. Some people live in Kansas City. My brother lives in Kansas City, right where it is. And you're telling me that man can't watch the game unless he pays some odd dollars a month for some outsourced thing, and he can't even get on MLB.com because it's on the blackout. What kind of scheme are you running? You know, one of the last good things that Valley did was make a damn pinball machine. All this is just smoke and mirrors. I don't care for it, man. You're taking the fun out of baseball. Yeah, it should be for everybody. It's America's pastime, baby. If I'm paying taxes, let me watch the ball game for free. But, you know, in a pinch, I'll just turn on Major League or something. And speaking of which, we're about to have a Major League sight and a Major League bite of this stadium dog tonight. And, you know, it's going to be a home run for your gut. So, get ready. Get ready to slide, man. Slide! Alright, baby, the time has come. The stadium dog, the ballpark dog is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, batter up. And I made this one hefty duty. Now, in reality, you can put whatever toppings you want on this thing. That's kind of the thing about it. Depends on your stadium. You know, you might even get this served to you in an old cap, but I won't serve it in mine because... So, let's go ahead and take a... Man, a grand slam! We had to talk about. That's the beautiful stuff, baby. Brings me back to my childhood. Brings me back to those great days. When I was playing Little League out there for the White Sox. You say, like, oh, why'd you play for the White Sox? That's how you went in the old Little League. You just got in where you fit in. So, and I love those days, man. Taught me a lot. Taught me a lot about responsibility, teamwork. That's why baseball is a beautiful thing, man. It's America's sport. And that right there is America's dog. So, I'm going to take a drink of America's beer. And I want to say thank you, good Americans and folks from around the globe, for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. You make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. Also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I think I might put on Field of Dreams and take down the rest of that plate of dogs, if you don't mind, sir. So, we will see you next time. Get your glove, get your ball bat, and yeah, just swing for the fence, baby, because that's what I'm doing tonight. So, love you. Ooh!